Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. The fun and learning continue at Sphero, the little robotics toy company that's celebrating its 10th anniversary this year. The company's round robots have been used in classrooms for years now and have been lots of fun at home too. What's new is the Sphero Mini Activity Kit that lets you create obstacle courses right out of the box. You can program Sphero with an app,
but no coding is really needed because you can drive the Sphero Mini with no need to know how to code right in the Sphero Play app. And then you can work your way up to actually learning block-based coding or even up to JavaScript in the Sphero EDU app.
Sphero's Amanda Vaden, who says, "Don't look now, but there's an even bigger kit on the way soon." Find more at sphero.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.